We all know how valuable wikiHow is for learning new skills and solving everyday problems. But sometimes reading through the lengthy articles can feel overwhelming. That's where this AI-driven solution comes in to make learning more accessible and entertaining. With the help of AI, I'm about to show you how you can transform text-based wikiHow guides into dynamic and engaging video content that's perfect for visual learners. If you're ready to revolutionize your content creation game and turn wikiHow articles into captivating YouTube videos, then stay tuned because I'm about to dive into the step-by-step process. Let's get started. To get started, we'll need a topic. On ChatGPT, I'm going to ask 10 most demanding niches on wikiHow. You'll always want to go for the most demanding niches for a chance to go viral with your videos. Now here, ChatGPT just listed 10 most demanding niches on wikiHow. You can pick one topic and use this to find articles on wikiHow. I'm going to go with health and wellness, where it says topics such as fitness routines, healthy eating habits, and mental health tips are perennially popular. So let us choose to go with healthy eating habits. So we can copy this and now head over to wikiHow, paste our topic right here and click on search. Here you will see the various articles on this topic. Pick the one with the most views. Like for example, this one, how to eat healthy, has almost 3 million views. Open this article and here you will see the entire article right here. We are not going to use the entire article. We're going to summarize this article using AI. So copy the link of this article. Head over to any AI tool that will help summarize this article. You can use ChatGPT, but since I have an account on copy.ai, I'll use copy.ai to summarize this article for us. Now here where it says ask anything, you can ask it to summarize this article. Paste the link of the article and click on enter. Copy.ai will begin the process of summarizing our article for us. Wow, it summarized the article for us very accurately. Now that it has summarized our article, we can begin creating our video. To create our video, I'm going to use flicky.ai. To get started, click on start for free. Since I already created an account, it will redirect us on this page. You can sign up with your Google account, and after signing in, you'll be redirected on this page right here. Here you can see a previous project I was working on using this tool. To start creating our video, click on new file. Then here you can give your file a name. So I'll name our video ways to eat healthy. For the language, you can pick a language, which is going to be English. Dialect, choose on United States. For aspect ratio, you can choose a square, portrait, or landscape. A portrait is going to be for a short form video. Landscape is going to be a YouTube style kind of video. Since we are making a YouTube video, I'll choose on landscape. To start with, we'll choose on script, since we have our script right here, and then click on submit. It will ask us to paste our script right here. So here I'll copy our script and then paste it right here. If you feel like this is going to be a longer video, you can click on summarize and choose the duration right here. But I think the length of this video is going to be okay. So I'm going to mark the summarize and choose to create stock media right here. You can also choose to generate AI videos, but I'll choose the stock media and click on video. You can choose templates and pick any of the templates right here. Click on stock media and choose video, then click on submit. Flicky.ai just generated our video for us. Now we can begin customizing our video the way we want it. Now to start customizing our video, we're going to pick on the first scene, click on layer, and then click on avatar. To position our avatar, you can choose to position at the center, right there. You can also change the avatar that you like to use. So here you can click on the avatar and then pick on the various avatars right here. I like Flora, so let's pick Flora. Since our voiceover is of a male, let us change our voiceover. And then here you can change the gender to female, and then sample all the voices right here that are available.
Wiki helps you create audio and video content using
I'll choose Quora, and then at the bottom right here, click on Apply to all scenes, and then click on Select. All our scenes voiceover will change from Smith to Quora, so even on the second scene, you will see our voiceover changes to Quora. If you feel like you don't like the layout of our video, you can click on Layout, and then here you can change the layout to the videos that Flicky will provide for us. For example, you can choose this video for our first scene. I love our background. Our avatar is perfect, and we have also changed our voiceover. Let us change our script right here. I've just edited our script and made it more engaging and captivating. Let us preview our video.
In this video, I will provide guidance on changing your eating habits to improve overall health.
So for the avatar, I'm going to choose to position her on the right. For the captions, we can also position them manually and drag them at the center right here. So now let us preview our video and see how our avatar and our captions are positioned.
Video, I will provide guidance on changing your eating habits to improve overall health.
For our captions, you can choose to choose a different display. So you can choose highlight.
I'll emphasize on the importance of a balanced diet and...
Okay, that's perfect. So here you can choose a different font. I like Roboto. You can also choose the text color, the background color, the shadow color, the highlight color, and if everything looks perfect, you can apply to all scenes. So you can apply to all the 10 scenes in our video. The avatar, I noticed that it wasn't talking. To make her start talking, click on Generate Avatar Video, and then click on Generate. Now that we have customized our avatar, our voiceover, our captions, and the layout of our first scene, we can do the same for our second scene. Where on the second scene, we can choose to add our avatar. Click on Avatar, and then it will add our avatar right here. To make her start talking, click on Generate Avatar, and click on Generate. If you like to change the layout of the second scene, just click on the layout right here, and you can pick a different layout for our second scene. I think the one with the egg looks perfect, so I'll leave it like that. Let us try the third scene. So we'll click on the third scene. Add our avatar, click on Avatar. It will add our avatar right here. Our captions will remain the same since we already customized them on the first scene. To make our avatar talk on this scene, we'll click on Generate Avatar Video and then click on Generate. And you can continue generating layouts and adding our avatar on each and every scene. If you're satisfied with customizing the avatar, the captions, and the layout of each and every scene of our video, now we can download our video. To download our video, click on Download right here and select any resolution that you like and the format. And click on Start Exporting and then click on Start. And then Flicky.ai will begin the process of downloading our video. You'll be notified via email when your file is ready to download. Flicky.ai just finished processing our video. To download our video, click on Download File. Our video will be downloaded on our computer. Let us preview our video.
In this video, I will provide guidance on changing your eating habits to improve overall health. I'll emphasize on the importance of a balanced diet and offers tips on selecting nutritious foods and making mindful choices. Here's a summary of my main points. 1. Complex carbohydrates. Incorporate 1 to 2.5 cups of complex carbs into your daily diet from sources such as whole grains, sweet potatoes, and brown rice. 2. Fill half your plate with veggies.
And that's a wrap on my guide to converting wikiHow articles into captivating YouTube videos with the magic of AI. I hope you're feeling inspired to take your content creation to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators. And remember, the journey doesn't end here. Keep exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Have any questions or want to share your own experiences with AI-generated content? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep creating, innovating, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.